Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a wear test of the Mizon Multifunction Formula Snail Repair Intensive BB Cream. So I actually didn't know that Mizon did anything aside from skincare. So when I saw this online, I was really excited about it. It comes in a little pump that looks like this. I'm just going to use one pump and I'm going to talk about it while I apply it so this video doesn't take forever. So this BB cream is from the same line as their Snail Repair skincare line, which I enjoy. I've done a few videos on their eye cream in the past. What else did I do? Their Ampule, Snail Intensive Repair Ampule, I think it's called. Also really like the sleeping pack. In fact, it's one of my favorite sleeping packs. So I got number 27. It matches my face pretty well, but I like to match my foundations and BB creams to my body so that it doesn't look like I'm wearing a mask, and this is just a little bit too dark for my body, but I think it still works, especially if I use concealer on top. Since this is from the same line as their Intensive Snail Repair skincare line, it contains a 40% snail secretion filtrate, and I know it sounds a little bit gross, but snail mucus helps with improving the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, age spots. It also helps with skin elasticity. This specific BB cream also has an SPF of 50, which is good, but again, you shouldn't rely on your BB creams to provide you with adequate sunscreen coverage. I also say that one layer provides you with a medium but buildable coverage, and it does have a very hydrating feel to it. And as you can see, the finish is, I wouldn't say it's dewy, but it's definitely more of a satin finish. It does look very natural on the skin, and I've been using this BB cream for a week now and I really like it. It doesn't claim to be long lasting or anything, but I find that it stays on the skin for over 8 hours. And the last time I went hiking, I actually used this BB cream and I was sweating a lot, and when I got home my foundation still looked really good. So it's definitely a good one for long days. Do you guys see what I mean by it's just a little bit too dark for me? So my skin is I'm between an NC20 to NC25 in MAC shades normally, but I think this would suit someone who has a skin tone of, I'd say, between NC25 and NC30, which is actually surprising because most BB creams don't have shades that come this dark. Not that this is dark. This is not dark, but darker for BB creams, you know? I think I'm pretty much done blending this in. It blends so effortlessly, so seamlessly. It doesn't cling onto any dry areas, doesn't accentuate any pores or anything. Let me just zoom you guys in so you can see how beautiful it looks on the skin. I'm sitting in front of my bedroom window today, so no studio lights, so what you're seeing on screen is exactly what my skin looks like. My skin just looks really smooth and healthy. It does feel a little bit tacky, I will say. I think I'm gonna set it with a bit of powder. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so my makeup is done. I've just set it with a little bit of loose powder, put some blush on, some highlighter, and I've used a little bit of the Chubby Stick by Clinique. Yeah, so it is 9:56 a.m. right now, and I'll check back in with you guys in a few hours. Hey guys, welcome back. So it is now 3:19 p.m. so I've had this BB cream on for about 6 hours, and I think I'm going to take it off now because I want to go to the gym. But look how beautiful it still looks. Like, it looks like I just put it on. It still looks fresh, healthy, glowy, dewy. It does look a little bit more glowy than it did when I first put it on, but I don't think it looks greasy. It still feels very good, very light, very fresh. Honestly, I don't really feel like I'm wearing anything on my skin. Aside from the shade range, this BB cream gets a 10 out of 10 for me. I love the finish, how it looks on my skin, how it feels, how it wears throughout the day. I think it would be suitable for any skin type, to be honest, because if you have dry skin, I have dryness around my nose. It hasn't clung onto those areas. I think even if you have oily skin, you'd like it, because I do have combination skin, oily at the center, and it doesn't feel thick or heavy or uncomfortable at all. It's just, yeah, very comfortable. And that's basically it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you again in my next video.